Hello, greetings from Exenta Business Solutions. In this video, the following topics will be covered. This is our POS screen, wherein you can see various functionalities to perform your daily operations. Now, let us understand what is the POS category. POS category, if created in the back office, will be reflected here in the POS. So all the POS categories would appear here in the quick items. Here, as you can see, we have created a POS category named as branded watches. Under this, there is a subcategory named as Apple watches, and we can create more subcategories under the branded watches as well. Now, if you click on the branded watches, all the products associated to the branded watches would appear here. And if you click on the Apple watches, all the products associated only to the Apple watches would appear here. Also, if the image of the product is available in the back office, the product image would appear here in this style. You can also select this item from here and it will get selected. This is how the POS category functions. Now we shall see how to create the POS category for various products in the back office. Let's see how to create a new POS category in the back office. We shall create a POS category for beverages. So to create a new POS category, go to the menu, click on the retail module. Under common forms, click on the POS category. Here you will find various categories created already in the system. So to create a new category, click on this create button and you will find options such as category name, parent category and color. As we are making a category for beverages, so here we will enter beverages. The parent category would be empty as beverages itself is the parent category. And in the color, you can select any color as you want. Let's say if you want this color, so you need to select this color code right from hash, copy it and you can paste it. So after completing all the setup, you can click on this save button and the POS category for beverages will be created. As you can see, this category has been created. Now we will see how to create a subcategory for beverages. For example, we will create a subcategory of coffee. So click on the beverages. Here always take care that the color code must be same for all subcategories. So we will just copy the color code. Now to create a new subcategory, click on this create button. Again you will find options such as category name, parent category and color. So as we are making the category for coffee, we will write coffee. And the parent category would be beverages. And in the color, we will just paste the color code as selected. Now after completing all the setup, you can click on the save button and the subcategory for coffee will be created. So this is how we create category and subcategory for a product. Now we will see how to associate a product to the POS category, as we have created category of beverages and its subcategory coffee. We shall associate some of the products to this subcategory coffee. For that, we will go to the menu, then go to the retail module. Under common forms, we will select products and here we will search for coffee. So these are some of the products that we can associate in the coffee category. So let's select this Americano coffee, then go to the edit button. Under retail setup, you will find this POS category. Here you will see various categories that has been already created. So we will select beverages and coffee. After selecting, you can click on this save button and this Americano coffee will be linked to the subcategory coffee. So this is how a product is associated to the POS category. As we have done all the setup in the back office, we shall see how it has been reflected in the POS. Here in the POS application, go to the admin panel, click on the import cloud data, select items and then click on the run job. Once this is done, then go to the quick items, select this refresh button, and here you will see category beverages, its subcategory coffee, and the Americano coffee product that we had associated with the subcategory coffee. So this is how all the changes made in the back office are reflected in the point of sale.